Hi, it's Alda. You must know these conjunctions. And also but. What are they for? And is used to join similar ideas, like these examples. I sent my mom a birthday card and called her. Meanwhile, but is used to show contrasting ideas, such as good, bad, easy, difficult, positive, negative, and many more. Like this example, I like getting chocolate, but I don't like getting flowers. But be careful with these conjunctions. Do not begin the sentence with and or but, especially in academic writing. Like this example. Chocolate is the most popular gift in Japan, and it is common in the US too. But in the US, other kinds of gifts are also given. This is wrong. So don't try this in your academic writing. So what should we do? Well, we can use however to replace but and in addition to replace and. Easy, isn't it? Yes, it is. You should try in your academic writing. Thank you for watching.